all started off that I was playing a game on the PS4. I think I was playing FIFA 19 or I don't know. It's not Fortnite. While I was playing the game, there was an unexpected shutdown. Yeah, I was anxious. After I was anxious, I tried to turn on the PS4 to see if there were any errors. So let's turn on the PS4. Nothing appears on the TV. It turned off. Let's turn on safe mode. So let's just restart the PlayStation. It still didn't work. You know what? I'm just gonna use my own method. So I'm just gonna unplug the cables from the PS4. Oh, how's this one hard? Here is the PS4. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this faceplate off. There. And I'm gonna leave like about 10 minutes. Once I left it there for 10 minutes, I'm gonna put the faceplate back on. Oh my god. There. There we go. Let's plug the cables back in. I've got them plugged in. And now, are we ready to turn on the PlayStation? I guess not. What we still have to do is to give a PlayStation a bang. I'm gonna do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There we go. For the moment of truth, let's turn on the PlayStation. Oh, but first, the TV. 3, 2, 1. It did not turn off. Yes, it finally worked. Alright guys, the way I fixed has successfully worked. You can try the same method as I did. Also, what video should I do next? Because what I do is try.